Welcome to the Cloud Smart series on PaaS, or Platform as a Service, and Containers, or the containerization approach, as brought on by Docker. I brought along a few friends to help illustrate the principles. Let's first look at the stack and see how this works. First we have our cloud, and there we have just raw machines and networking that ties everything together. Now, in order to do anything with us, our Minecraft zombie over here looks at the brains of the operation. So he's building a set of infrastructure out of parts from this template library or store. Well, let's move up the stack and bring in the PaaS layer. Now, we have some infrastructure there, so let's make use of it. So in steps our software developer. Our software developer is going to create a game called Pirate Master. Now, Pirate Master is going to be assembled using this PaaS. PaaS provides the orchestration and automation to make sure that all the components work together. Now, these components could be pre-built applications, containers, or other things. And because they're coming from the store, that we know that they're all going to work together in this environment. And that's the beauty of developing in the environment that you plan on deploying on. Now, once this is assembled, the underlying infrastructure is abstracted from this developer. She doesn't care if 1,000 users come in or 1,000,000, because it will size itself to meet the demand. So that when she exposes her software as a service, let's move up the stack, and she's created Pirate Master, our millions of users can come in and say, "Arr, Blackbeard's treasure!" And that's really all they care about. So as I said, PaaS can be used to orchestrate containers, but let's look at the difference between containers and virtual machines. Alright, let's start back with our base cloud. What we're going to do here is we've provisioned a server, so this is a server. So you need the operating system, you need a hypervisor, and we're kind of running out of real estate here. Put a lot on this machine. And now we want to provision these virtual machines. Well, guess what? Each of these has a guest operating system, application dependencies, and now you got to find space for your applications. So in putting these on, you don't have a lot of real estate to work with. You can just provision a few out there, maybe 3 or 4 per server, depending on the size of it. Well, now let's look and see how containers can make things better. You still have the guest operating system. And now we add this little thin layer. This is the Docker interface. And this is where this helps make the magic work. So now we have a lot of real estate. And into our store, here's our developer. She has now access to all these containers that she can assemble together and orchestrate a software service. So let's build Pirate Master using this. Pirate Master is composed of applications, and each one has a little bit of dependencies. So in doing this, you can see that each one of these are lightweight components. Now, your iPhone is really a containerization platform. All those apps are just have the application, its dependencies, and then are using the phone operating system to supply the rest that it needs. So your phone is really a containerization platform. So after all these little pieces are assembled together, onto the machine running Docker, you can see that you can add thousands of containers. They're small, they're lightweight. Just like you can have thousands of apps on your phone. And then on top of that, let's deploy Pirate Master. Now you've orchestrated those containers together to provide the game, and our users are happy. Yarr! So thank you for watching. I hope that you now understand how PaaS and containers relate to each other.